So, hey guys, welcome back to Learning Phonics. I'm Apurva, and in today's episode, we are going to learn homophones. So, a lot of times I have seen children, they are confused with these words there and there, okay? See and see. So, I have a trick to tell them how to not get confused with these words. Okay, let's get started with the first word, that is there and there. So, okay, this there is the direction, and this there is the possession, like their house, their car. All right, so how are you gonna do this? Doodle it. Kids love doodling, and once you teach them how to do this, they're gonna love it. Okay, so There. There means the direction. So now what you are going to do is you are just going to erase this R and make a direction out of it. See? There. So now they're not going to get confused. They're going to understand, they're going to remember that this there means the direction. And what do we do with this there? Their, their car, their school. What are you gonna do? Just make this dot of I a little big, make eyes and a face, a little tiny hands and tiny feet. So this is their, a person's, their car, their school. See? Let's see another one. So the next one was C and this C. Okay, so let's write down SEA, sea. So now you mean waves, right? Beach, water. So just make waves like this. So now they know that SEAC means water, beach. Okay, the sea. And now this sea, you can make the eyes on the letter E. So now they will know that this SEEC is how you can see. Okay, so these are the eyes. All right, so this C and this C, they are not going to get confused now. So I hope this episode is helpful to you. If it is, do like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel Learning Phonics, and see you next time.